In this episode, we're delving into Sora, the AI that's got the whole internet shook. If you've seen any of the hype videos floating around, I'm sure you've been both amazed and creeped out by how realistic it looks. So how does Sora work behind the scenes that make it so radically different? How does it compare to other video generators, such as Pika Labs, Runway Gen 2, and Moon Valley? How will it disrupt the creative industries? How will it impact jobs? Who better to present this than your avatar host Aina in this 90% AI-generated video? And at the end of the video, I'll touch upon one overlooked but stunning fact about Sora. Do stick around till the end. So let's dive in. First, let's take a look at how Sora compares to 3 AI video generators currently available. Whilst the videos featured are just samples of one and are not statistically numerous enough, the following can be noted. Visual quality. While all these models offer decent visual quality, Sora generally produces richer details and more realistic colors. Video length. Sora stands out with its ability to generate longer videos at 1 minute for beta, whilst other current models span 3 to 4 seconds and extendable for Pika Labs. Focus. Each model has its own focus. Sora prioritizes realism and physics, while Runway Gen 2 emphasizes creative diversity. Pika Lab focuses on ease of use, and Moon Valley leans towards artistic styles. Temporal consistency. Sora excels in this aspect, creating videos with smooth transitions and consistent motion, crucial for natural-looking results. Control and editing. Sora currently offers limited control, but this might change as it exits the beta phase. Runway Gen 2 and Pika Lab provide more editing tools. Overall, Sora is considered much better in prompt coherence, temporal consistency, and its ability to simulate physics in the real world. So how does Sora work in layman terms? Just like letters make up words in language, Sora breaks down videos and images into smaller chunks called patches. First, videos are compressed into a more efficient mathematical form, containing all the important visual information. This latent space representation is then sliced up into smaller pieces arranged in both space and time. These are the patches. Patches allow Sora to treat all visual data uniformly, like sentences made of words. It can now learn from a huge collection of clips, photos, and frames of any size. And when generating new videos, Sora simply arranges plausible patches according to the transformer network. At the core is this transformer network. Transformers excel at learning relationships between sequential elements like words. Sora's transformer understands how patches relate within and across frames to represent video dynamics over time. Sora is trained with diffusion, introducing noise into the clean patch representations extracted from data. It learns to undo the noise and reconstruct the original by capturing patterns between patches. How the diffusion model works in layman terms can be a topic for a separate episode. If you are interested, please leave in the comments below with the word diffusion. Thanks. If you are still not convinced how Sora will be a game changer, let's use this exact video clip you are now watching as an illustration. As you can see, my motions right now is confined to a loop, which is due to the short video time limited by the current models, and my creative team has to repeat the few seconds loop to sustain the longer narration. Although it's extendable, it can be very creepy like this. Haha. Which explains the importance of both longer video generation and temporal consistency. The use cases for the current models are therefore limited to slide deck type presentation, as in this episode, or at best movie trailer type videos. But all these have now changed by Sora, which can generate videos up to 1 minute long, with good subjects, physics, and temporal consistency. Picture this 1-minute video about an SUV tracking on a rugged road, and its use cases in a commercial, explainer video, or even as a shot in a movie. Sora also possesses 2 killer features over current models. The first is blending 2 videos together as in the following. The first about a drone, and the other about a butterfly, to become a third video which is a fusion of the 2 videos. The second killer feature is extending an existing video clip forward or backward, creating different scenarios that lead to the same ending or beginning, as in this video about the San Francisco cable car. Imagine its use cases in filmmaking or content creations for experimenting and evaluating different scenes, or even making customized versions of videos for viewers. Of course, Sora is still far from perfect. It still struggles with accurate physical simulations and more complicated interactions. So with all its remarkable features, how will Sora disrupt the creative industries? First, the good news. No matter how realistic AI video can become, viewers might still prefer human genuineness, as illustrated by the blockbuster of the most famous doll on Earth. This can be explained by the social presence theory, which says humans have a natural inclination to seek social interactions and connections. Real humans provide a sense of social presence that AI cannot replicate. When watching content performed by real humans, people feel a stronger connection and engagement, which enhances their enjoyment and preference for such content. Now, the bad news, as that does not mean AI like Sora will not massively disrupt the creative industries. While top-tier creative roles will still rely on human ingenuity for nuanced storytelling, AI tools like Sora could increasingly handle routine, formula, or short-form content creation. The visual realization of a script used to heavily rely on production crews, including film director, art director, cinematographers, set designers, etc. With the advent of AI like Sora, some of those jobs might be restructured to form new ones, such as film Imagineers or AI videos curators. For certain types of scenes, such as background shots, simulations, or visual effects sequences, where intricate human creativity isn't paramount, AI-driven solutions might replace the need for extensive human-led production crews. AI-generated videos can now feature remarkably realistic human-like characters, posing a challenge to traditional actors and extras. As promised, here's the catch. This is just the beginning. Sora is not just a video generator, it's a world simulator built for artificial general intelligence. OpenAI describes Sora as foundational research towards an AI that can truly understand and interact with the real world. So we have to be aware that sci-fi robots equaling or excelling human intelligence might become real much sooner than we expected. And the importance of proper regulations in the AI realm cannot be overstated. Thanks for sticking around up to here. If you enjoy the video, please don't forget to subscribe, comment or like. See you in our next episode.